Alright. Get him on room. Hey guys. Today I am here in Just Tornadoes 2. We are going to be playing this game. Alright, let's see our thermodynamics. Let's see. Oh my! It just started. Guys, we might be cooked. Okay, we're cooked. We have to use Storm Reaver in this one. For this one, we have to. If it was a weaker one, I would probably use something weaker. Let's go. Oh, whatever. He's a part of the Storm Reaver team. Okay, there. Are we going toward? Yes. Right over there. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, I flipped. Is it gonna hit our farm? I don't know. Oh yeah, alright. This area is cooked. Hopefully this isn't really strong. Let me move that. Alright, we're deploying. Starter probe. Umbrella probe. The gyro probe. Video probe. And last but not least, light probe. Yeah, there you go. Ooh, this one's kind of weak. We are currently in the storm, though. We're about to get in the storm. Oh my. Oh. Oh no, I'm getting lifted. Oh. Oh my god. Storm leaving. Help. Oh. I'm good. We got 3,000, 4,800, 1,730, 3,600, and then a lot on our umbrella probe. Let's go get the other ones. Maybe that one was just too weak. Yeah, alright. They're across the map. Alright, let's go. I'm not. Okay, there. Ooh. Should I play Twisted? Comment down below if you're watching. I'm not that big, but if you're watching. Should I do Twisted? No, other way. That way. Am I going? Yes, I will. Actually, no. I won't hit it. Alright. Okay. Yeah, everyone's crowding that one. I think that was just really strong. Please don't. Don't drift. Okay. Don't think it's drifting. Oh, there's those hills. Alright, we gotta hurry up, man. This thing's about to leave. Hopefully I don't crash. Please don't drift. That'd be the worst. Stop it! Get out! Where am I? Oh! Big tornado. It's going... Alright. Oh! Go! Okay. Oh my. This is absolute craziness. Alright. I'm going in. Wait, what was this? It's supposed to be really high. What's okay? 6,000? Maybe it's the other one in front of this tornado. Alright, cut to when this thing is done. Alright. Okay, we have Titus with us. Let's go. Let's grab my probes and get back in the Reaver. Let's cut to when I'm over there. Alright, we are apart. Cut to when there's a storm happening. That's why this is called the Storm Reaver. It's supposed to handle storms. Look at that. Funny. Guys, I've changed my mind. I think I'm leave.